Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete all email at once from your Hotmail account. Now, Hotmail has been bought by Microsoft and Hotmail's name has changed into Outlook. So whenever you try to log in into your Hotmail account, you will be logging into Outlook. So don't get confused because I will be showing you how to remove all the email from Outlook. And that is what Hotmail is now, alright? So first you want to go to outlooklive.com and log in into your Outlook account. Now you can use your old Hotmail login details to put into Outlook. You will be able to log in into your account. Now once you log in into your account, all of your email is going to be shown over here. Now if you want to delete all your email, you can just hover your mouse on top of the mail and a box will appear and click on the box. Once the box is tick marked, you're going to see another box at the top which is going to be right beside focused. Click on the box. Once you click on the box, all of your mail is going to be tick marked. Once all your mail is tick marked, at the top you can see the dustbin icon. You can click on it. Are sure we want to delete it, so we are going to click on OK. Once we click on OK, all of our email will be deleted. Now they are not going to be permanently deleted. They are going to be moved to trash. Now if you want to recover your mail, you are going to have 30 days. And within that 30 days, you can go to trash and recover them. And if you don't go to trash and recover them within 30 days, after 30 days, they will be deleted from the trash. And then that will be permanently deleted. You can't recover it ever again. So that's how we guys can delete all mail at once. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.